Okay, I am inside the Somnium Space Builder right now. This is the software that you can download onto your computer. It shows you where your parcel is right here. I won't click out of it, but this is where you click on your parcel and you can come in here. I was renting this parcel to somebody else for an entire year, and the year just ended a few days ago, so I unrented it and they left the entire build here for me. So now I'm going to come in here, and what I already did once was I changed this to one of my NFTs. I'm going to just show you how I'm going to switch this out for this one here. You can come into the builder and you can add all kinds of different furniture, and it's drag and drop. It's pretty simple once you get used to it. But once you click on blockchain, it shows you everything from my address. This is pulling in my all my different stuff right here. Word punks, those are pretty cool. These other punk bodies, and my Rarible shows a few things in there. My own tokens shows you all the NFTs that you have here. So I'll just click on this one for now. This is my community badge from Somnium Space, and I drag it in, drop it right here. I can move it around, and I can size it. I already looked at the size and position of this, so I'm going to copy that right here. So I click on scale. Right, so that's pretty close. And basically you can just kind of move it over there, rotate it around this way, and put it into that exact spot. So if I come back to this paint, it should 127.27. That's pretty much the exact rotation. And let's see. There we go. Minus 44. And minus 160. Okay. So now that it's in that spot, you can move it a little bit more, into the exact spot that you want. Now that it's there, I can click on the one behind it, I think. Not the black one. It's nice and level. Click delete, move it right back into the center, and boom. Pretty cool. Now I have two NFTs right there that you can click on. You can see on OpenSea, and then I just have to basically click upload right here, agree, upload. Progress successful. So now I can probably go directly to Somnium. I believe it is 2779. Look at that. There they are. I'm even going to log in. Just to show you my cool avatar. Head right on over. Oop. Let's just hop right up. Check me out. So now you can come over and click on this. It's a link automatically. Hi, I'm Chris Bell. Ask me about OpenSea. Open in browser. We'll take you right to OpenSea. This was given to me by OpenSea. Chris Bell. So when you search my name, Chris Bell, see the green check. The green check shows you that you can say hi to me and that I can help you with OpenSea. And then close this. If you want to come over and check out my Elon Musk classic, smoking on one of his podcasts, you can click on this as well, open in browser. And when you open it in the browser, you should be able to see it here. And you can click play. It shows you the entire drawing. It wasn't me who made this. Whoever made this, it shows the entire drawing of what they used in clip art the entire time to make this. Really basic paint program, and just cool how the whole thing comes together and how talented these artists actually are when they're making these things that are much more complicated than this, of course. But this was just really cool. I thought it was funny how Elon Musk actually looked just like the picture. But that's that. This is all inside Somnium Space. It only took a few minutes. I'm going to come back and do that with the rest of my NFTs all throughout this entire thing. And boom, I have a build. It only took a year to get into my hands, but there we go.